Hi, my name is Dorothy. This is Hacker Hint. Today we're going to make some monster cookies. I got the recipe from a friend and they turned out really good. So that's what we're going to make today. So let's get baking. So I have my mixture out, and the first thing that we're going to do is cream the sugar and the butter. So this is a half a cup of butter. And then we're going to add 1 cup of sugar. And a cup and a half of brown sugar. Okay, well, I think this is a big enough bowl to get the 4.5 cups in. So I'm going to try to gently put the oats in this mixer. Okay, now I'm going to put the oats, combine the oats in with the batter here. And then the last thing that we need to do is add the chocolate chips and the M&Ms. So I have a half a cup of M&Ms and a half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And these will need to bake for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay, so I put the cookies on the cookie sheet. I used 2 spoons. Actually, I didn't have the camera running when I did this, but I just used 2 spoons. You can also use a ice cream scoop to do it too. Whatever you have in the house. I don't have an ice cream scoop right now, so. And then this goes in the oven for a 350 degree oven for 15 minutes. Cookies are out of the oven. I'm just going to let them set and then put them on some cookie racks. And then we will have a taste. Enjoy the fall season. Bake some cookies. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.